not enough.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Baby, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Shania Shayon, and welcome back. Y'all, I be having all this content, and I said, you know what? I'm going to piece together like a monthly compilation vlog, and I'm going to give you guys all this content, okay? Because no content will go wasted. So I'm basically just going to recap my month in this vlog. I did some amazing things, and I just want to share them with you guys. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and we're going to get into this monthly vlog, okay? Monthly compilation vlog, that's what we're gonna call it. So I pretty much started out the month. I had family come in to visit, and I was so excited because I hadn't seen them in so long. So it was really nice. My cousins came up, so this is just me picking them up from the train station. So we had a really good time. So I think we're gonna start this vlog off with that, so y'all stay tuned. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing a little weekend vlog. So I think in this vlog it will be like Easter and Easter weekend. So right now I am out with my family and my friends, and we are just out enjoying the scenery, walking around. We're about to go to the Gaylord Hotel, and then we went to the harbor earlier. We went to, where we go earlier, y'all? MGM. We went to the MGM, and I was like, let me vlog for y'all. So I got some family in town. So I'm gonna be entertaining them, and we are just gonna sightsee and look around. Y'all wanna say hi? No. So let me show y'all what I'm looking at.
Saving you. Is the heart of a woman. Yeah. The only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know.
Ain't that what the girls do? Ain't that how they do it?
You're supposed to do your 42.
Oh, yeah. Look at this, y'all. Oh, this purse is packed. But look how I'm riding. It's not enough. And you know it's 420. Well, it's 419. But we on our way to a 420 party, so we're gonna get it going.
I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong. How much can I put you first on you this time? And I hope you'll be
Let me start today by giving the utmost gratitude and thankfulness to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Honey, they put him in a tomb, but he rose again, okay? And that goes to show no matter what you're going through in your life, baby, you can always pull yourself up, and you can always rise again too. What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to the channel. I'm not sure at which part of this vlog this is gonna be. I'm not sure if it's gonna be the middle, the end, or the beginning. Happy Easter weekend and happy 420 weekend, y'all. This weekend we have a lot of fun filled packed things. You guys, I just got up, so please excuse me. I've never really did like a weekend vlog, so I wanted to do a holiday weekend vlog just covering my Easter. I have a lot of things planned this week, so I'm gonna take you guys home with me. You guys will be able to see my friends and my family. I'm also getting my hair done, so you guys will see. One of my cousins is gonna do my hair for me, so you guys will see all my hood friends, all my hood family, okay? I'm going to get my hair done, and then we'll be going to do like some Easter stuff. Now it looks like it's gonna rain here in Maryland, but when I talked to my family, they said it was like cloudy there too, so I'm not sure exactly what we'll be doing, but I know regardless it's gonna be lit. So you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm actually just finished packing. Y'all, that's how much I had going on. I had to work and everything, so I just finished packing. So we're about to load this car up, get my son up so he can get on this road. We're about to get on the road and drive to my hometown of Lynchburg, Virginia. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Happy Easter, happy 420. I hope you guys are loving on your family, loving on yourself. And I just hope that even if you don't do anything today, I hope that you do something special for you and give praise and honor to God, okay? So let's get ready, guys. Let's go. So I got my suitcase here. Then every time I go home, I carry like a lot of stuff home for like my little cousins and stuff. So I got some bags and just some little stuff that I don't wear. But we are about to load this stuff up. Let's go.
Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only that's it.
Get it. Y'all gonna get it. Meanwhile, y'all got it. Pop, pop, pop. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma learn it now. I'ma learn it. Flick, 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 flick.
Bounce. Left. Front. Back. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Hey, rock it. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. March your leg right. There you go.
Okay, guys, so I just spent a lot of time with my family during this vlog. I really didn't get too much footage. I don't get to see my family that often, so the couple times a year I do. I really did.
Get it, Judah.
But I did spend time with my nieces and my whole family. We had like a family outing day right here. It was really, really nice. I was down there for like 2 days, and then we got back because it was time for me to finally become a Maryland resident. So I'm super excited to say that I am officially a Maryland resident. Okay, I finally got that done. I mean, I've been living in Maryland for a long time. So I got back, got all the stuff I needed to do with my car, got it cleaned and detailed. That was like my little celebration of finally going to get my tags and stuff, okay? And then, of course, y'all know I be having all the PR. So I unboxed some PR. I had a brand collab with HAIRSTYLE in Alexandria, Virginia. And that was really nice. I just went down there and took some pictures, enjoyed their bar, and just see what they had to offer. It is summertime, so I'm trying to collab with a lot of hotels and get them day passes, okay? I want to be able to chill for the day if I want to go out and edit content or whatever, or just chill for the day. Then I want to be able to have that option and be able to collab with some dope hotels in the area. So y'all stay tuned for this food collab. Baby, come with me to El Texano in Alexandria, Virginia, guys. I miss Cinco de Mayo, so we about to celebrate 6 de Mayo, okay? The first thing I loved about this restaurant was the artwork. They had amazing artwork. Baby, the bar was full, okay? They also had a lot of these treats that they let me try. They were so good, a perfect dessert. And baby, they had about 12 TVs up in here, and I love that, okay? And something different was on all of them. The menu was extensive, and they had a little bit of everything for everybody. When I tell you she made this margarita, honey, she made it. So I got the peach margarita, but they also had like strawberry, mango, whatever you want, they kind of had, and she was back there mixing it. I got the street tacos and something new called tinga, and also I got the grilled chicken, and it was amazing. Make sure you guys go check them out. They are reasonable and the bomb. Okay. So then, guys, it was back to work for me. I hope you guys enjoyed that food collab. If you don't, follow me on Instagram, guys. And I just got back home, got back to work, and just got my home together. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I am in a space where I feel like every vlog doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to uploading all my content, whether it's monthly, weekly, or whatever. So I will see you guys in the next vlog, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.